Hello to all my friends out there. So now I need some dinner. I have one hamburger, partially soy, that I bought from Walmart, and I want to make some taco meat. Walmart had these hamburgers, 20 partially soy hamburgers, for $10. Here's the package. And so in the last month, I ate 10 of these things. For good taco meat, all you really need is hamburger, onions, and garlic. So I have some of this garlic pepper stuff, so I'll use that. And I'll have a little crushed red pepper, just a little bit. And then I'll have a little chili powder. So this is going to be some pretty good taco meat. I don't want to invest too much money in my 50, well, this is like a 60-cent soy burger. So, you know, I don't want to invest too much money. I just want to make two fairly decent sized burritos. Mexican food is one of the cheapest things you can ever eat. I also have these in the stockpile, but this cost me about $1.25. I think I saw the lasagna today. So I have 2 pieces of cheese, so I'll try to, divide my cheese among the 2. It's going to be 2 burritos. So, I'm going to use flour tortillas. I have some cooking spray in here. So, I want to make some pretty cheap food. I don't want to spend any money for the rest of the year to speak of. These warnings, these watch out for this, watch out for that. If I keep one person from going into a crowd and getting a head injury, I'd be happy with that because I think it's going to happen. The best way to make sure that you're not injured is do not break the law in any way, shape, or form. You don't want to be going to the hospital or calling the police these days unless it's total and complete life and death. We have to be very careful for the rest of the year. There's not much left of the year. September, October, November, December, 4 months. And who knows what's going to happen in the next 4 months. None of us really knows. So this is going to be a pretty good little burrito. Half in this one. And also, it's hard to tell, in a lot of these situations, who the actual culprit is. You know what I'm saying? It could be one thing, it could be another. I mean, you might get out there yourself and get yourself into some kind of situation that you don't even understand. You don't even know what's actually going on. You're in a dangerous situation. See how fast that was? I still have 10 of these soy burger patties left. And then, I have some hot sauce and I have some of this guacamole. This stuff has been a good deal. I'm going to buy a few of these. So, yummy. Ooh, it's slippery. So, these are even cheaper than frozen burritos. And I guarantee you, this burrito is, well, your burrito is fattening. That's okay. I've been walking 2 hours a day. You know, when you get older, you're never going to be like when you were younger. You got to accept that if you know it's good for you. That is good. I had 2 moderate meals today, and both of them were highly satisfactory. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.